Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how I install this wig. This is the wig that I previously posted of me preparing it ahead. Only took me 15 minutes, literally 15 minutes. But before I jump right into the video, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification button, hit the thumbs up button if you like the video, and also leave all your comments down below. But without further ado, let's jump right into this video.
Bitch, fuck got a nigga, real bitch, fuck got a nigga, real bitch, fuck got a nigga, real bitch, give a fuck got a nigga, real bitch, fuck got a nigga, fuck got a nigga, fuck got a nigga, fuck got a make it clap like he got it right.
Okay guys, on God, literally this took me only 15 minutes. If I didn't speed up the video, it would have been only 15 minutes, but I wanted to speed up the video just to save time. So it's like a quick 1-2 for you guys to watch. And even though before it looked like the wig was already like attached to my head, it wasn't. It can be worn as a glueless unit as well, but I didn't want to do that. I used my Got to Be glue spray, sprayed it directly on the hair, and then I used the blow dryer. Nothing too extra, nothing much. Like literally it was nothing to install, nothing. Like I didn't have to do any customization because again I did it ahead. And this is why I tell you guys, being able to prepare your wig before installing it is literally one of the best things. Because for example, if you have somewhere to go, your makeup's done, you're ready, all you have to do is take 15 minutes and spray it, blow dry it, and you're good to go out the door. And worse, because I didn't do any baby hairs or anything like that, because again it didn't need any baby hairs because it came out so flawless. I was just like, I do not want any baby hairs to kind of mess it up, you know. And that's like, no. Okay, but yeah, literally just spray the Got to Be spray on it, then I used the blow dryer, and that was it. That was it. Like nothing more, nothing added, nothing. Also, I had went in with the like my concealer, just because I did use the stocking cap on my head and it kind of showed a little part where the stocking cap stopped and, like, you know, my hair was. So I used the concealer to blend that out so it didn't look like the stocking cap wasn't showing, you know, because I didn't melt it down or anything like that. I literally just covered my hair with it and then added just installed the wig. So I used the concealer to just blend it out a little bit more so the parting can look like, again, it's actually my scalp. Okay, but yeah, that is pretty much it. Nothing to it. Again, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you guys want to see me do like a glueless wig or something like that, please let me know, because I was thinking about it. I do not know how to do it, but I'm willing to like try. Okay, but yeah, thank you guys again, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one.
Fuck got a nigga, 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 fuck got a